Hello, Cricut Buddies. Jav here from Ninja Jav Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to create a text offset or a shadow. It's a very highly requested tutorial, and today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create a shadow or a text offset. So the thing is, Design Space app is, although it's really amazing, there are some limitations. And one of the limitation is that you cannot create text offsets or shadows in Design Space for it. You can, but it's only available for a couple of fonts. But if you're using some other font, you can't do it in Design Space, and you would need another software, a design software such as Inkspace or Adobe Illustrator, something like that, to create a text offset. So here's the website from where you can get Inkscape. So today I'm going to show you how to create a text offset using Inkspace. So this is a free software which you can download from inkscape.org, and it's pretty amazing and handy. I'll be creating several different tutorials based on this software, so go ahead and get it. It's very useful. It's available for both Mac as well as Windows. And if you don't have a computer, if you're using your phone, I'm going to create another video to show how you can create text offset on a phone. So this is the website to download Inkscape. So go ahead and download and install this app on your computer, and then open up the app. So this is what it's gonna look like. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and add some text by clicking on this A icon. So this is the icon for text. Next, I just clicked on the artboard. So this is the artboard or canvas, whatever you want to call it. And you can now see that there's uh, this line blinking. So that means I can now start writing. So I'm just going to write ninja. And you can see at this top bar, all the options to edit the text have just popped up. So what I'm going to do is select all, and I'm going to increase the size. And now I'm going to change the font to something else, something nice and pretty. So I love this font that I got from Hungry JPEG. It's called Batavia Script, and I really love how it looks like. So right now, this text is in text format. We need to change it to a vector image. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. But one thing to remember here is once you change it to the vector file, you cannot edit it. So go ahead and duplicate this text just in case you make a mistake. So all you got to do is Control plus C or Command plus C, and then Command plus V or Command plus or Control plus V to duplicate this object. Or you can just right click it and click on duplicate. All right, so we have two of the same things just in case we make any mistakes. All right, now we're going to change it to a vector file. All right, now click on the text and go to the top menu over here, and then click on path. Next, select object to path. So this means you're changing the text to a vector file. Next, go ahead to this objects panel. So if you don't have this objects panel, just go to the top menu, click on object, and then click on the first option, objects, and this panel will pop up here. Yours is gonna look a bit different. Mine is, I don't know why it's collapsed like this. So yours is gonna look much better. All right, so now go ahead and click on the text you're working with. So this is text 12. Just click on it and click on ungroup. All right, so now it has been ungrouped into individual letters. Next, we need to combine these letters, like weld them together, just like you would do in Design Space, so that they are cut together. So go ahead and click on Path and click on Union. This is similar to the weld option in Design Space. It will join all of these together. Now you can see that the individual boxes are not there anymore. All right, so right now it's already in a SVG format, which will work quite good in Design Space. But we want to create an offset. So go ahead and click on Path and Linked Offset. So as you can see at the top of J, there is a small diamond. Let me just zoom in. So there's a very tiny diamond over here. You'll get a similar kind of diamond somewhere at the top of your text as well. So just click on this diamond and stretch it out like this. So it's totally up to you how big you want to go. And let me just change the color so you can easily see what's going on. Right. So this is what it looks like. You can go ahead and save this as a SVG file. But the problem is you might notice when you upload it on Design Space, you might see these tiny little dots that you can see over here. So if you're okay with them, you are pretty much fine. You can go ahead and save it. However, if you want to get rid of these dots, what you can do is click on this offset and go to Path and click on Simplify. All right, so you'll see all of these dots pop up over here, as you can see. So what you need to do is click on each of these dots, these extra dots. We don't need them. We only need the dots which are outside. So these are called nodes. So we only need the nodes that are outside. We don't need the inside nodes. Let me just zoom in more. So these are all dots, and you need to click on each and then just press delete on your keyboard. And there you go, the dot has disappeared. So go ahead and do this for each and every useless dot that you see. It's a bit tedious, but it's totally worth it if you hate all these black marks. So once you're done and you're happy with everything, go ahead and click on File and Save. Let me just name it at Ninja SVG. And I'm just gonna click on Save. Make sure you select both the layers together, and I'm gonna delete this one because we don't need it anymore. So make sure you select both the layers together and File, Save. All right, now I can go ahead and upload this on Design Space. So go to Design Space, click on Upload Image, and all right, so here it is on the canvas, and we have two layers. You can ungroup. So this is the inner layer, and this is the outer layer. How cool is that? So yep, that is it. I hope you girls enjoyed this tutorial. A very highly requested tutorial. It's been on my list for a very long time. So if you don't have a computer, check out my other tutorial, how to create an offset on a phone. All right, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye.